there, dear. Did you know that penguins spend up to 75% of their lives submerged in water? They are birds designed to be efficient in the water. Their powerful flippers and torpedo-shaped bodies propel them through the water, while their black and white bodies conceal them. They can swim at speeds of up to 22 miles per hour. But here, we don't have any water for Mickey to swim. So we are going to add water. For that, click Add a new object in the Objects tab. Choose the Sprite option. A new window pops up where we can change the object name to water. Then at the bottom right, we can click Add an animation and choose the Add option. Now from the Downloads folder, select both the water animations by holding the Control key and clicking Open and press OK. Tick in the Loop checkbox to play the animations repeatedly. Let's see a preview now. So click on the Preview button. Well, our water's tidal wave animation is a bit too fast, right? Let's drop down the FPS to 4. Click OK and then press Apply. For the first time in this game, we are going to access a special feature in 𝗙develop called Grid. So, let's set up a grid. So, click on the toggle or edit the grid icon on the top right. Then select the Setup Grid button. Assign the cell width to 70 and cell height to 100 and then click Apply. After that, we can click the grid icon again and apply Show Grid. See, the grid has appeared. Zoom in by scrolling the mouse button. Now let's again drag and drop our water object to the game scene one by one. First, place the water object into a square grid to the left near the first platform base. Then we can click on it and drag its bottom part to increase the length and fill the bottom part of the grid. Also, drag its top part and fill the top part of the grid. Next, just right-click on the water object we have resized and copy it. Click on the adjacent boxes and paste them continuously till the entire water platform base area is covered. In total, we have had to paste the water object 10 times, right? Here, we have to click on each water box and drag to adjust all of them to the same level. Now, we can turn off the grid. For that, click on the toggle or edit icon and click on Show Grid again. The grids disappeared. Zoom out the game scene to get a better view. Well, we can now add in our main character, our baby penguin. We know how to add an object, right? For that, click Add a new object option and choose Sprite option. A new window pops up where we can change the object name to penguin. At the bottom right, we can click Add an animation. The first animation I am going to add is the idle condition where penguin is relaxed and stationary. So name the first animation number 0 equal to idle. My idle animation pose of penguin is in the downloads. To get it, click the Add button and from Downloads, select the image which depicts the idle pose of our penguin. Click Open and give OK. Click on Add an animation again. Give animation name number 1 equal to walk. Again, click on the Add button and from the Downloads, select all the walk animations and click Open. Give an OK for the dialog box and switch on the loop. Click on Preview. See, the penguin is working just fine. So click OK and we have successfully added our penguin. Next, we can add the swim animations. For that, click on Added Animation again. Give animation name number 2 equal to swim. Click on the Add button and from the downloads, select all the swim animations and click Open. Give an OK for the dialog box. Then click on Preview. Let's down the FPS value to 3. See, the penguin is in swimming pose, so click OK. Finally, we can click Apply to set the animations of penguin. It's time to bring penguin to the game scene, so drag and drop the penguin object to the game scene. Just click on it. OK, now its Properties tab is visible on the left side. In the Properties tab, change its X position to 254 and Y position to 510 and also the width to 76, height to 74 and give a tick in the custom size. Now, let's add a behavior to the penguin to make it a platform character. Double-click on the penguin in the game scene. In the window that opens up, click on Behaviors in the center. Press Add a Behavior and select the Platformer Character option. As penguins walk very slowly, we don't want a very big value for acceleration. So erase the existing value and type 500 as the acceleration value. Likewise, change max speed from 250 to 100. OK dear, click Apply. To check our work, let's watch a preview. Click on the play button on top. See, when I press the right key on the keyboard, our penguin walks in the right direction. Close the preview window. Excellent progress, dear. I can't believe we have done so much so quickly.